Damn, it's cold as hell outside. Man, I think why are you not driving? Okay, need to be careful on the crosswalks. We'll see if there anybody out there. Man. Oh, damn, it's been a while. Well, I hope this truck is worth it. I hope it's in good condition with how it should be. Yes. Here. Whoa, 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 whoa. We are getting closer. We'll see, my G, what we have here. I remember in the winter they did some winter configuration here. We were going this way. Man, if you are telling me that this is going to be closed, then what the hell is this? Yeah, in winter we were definitely going there. Why the hell you create a track and leave it and close it, man? Can we go straight there? Ёбаный, бля. Really, why the fuck to close? Close the only place, man. This is going to be the biggest shit ever. If this thing is really closed, then what the fuck, man? What the fuck then? If you check the Google Maps and you know, switch to the satellite view, then you can see there are tires, lines, everything. There is track for drift. But when you come here, then it's nothing here, it's closed. Let's try one last option from the other side, but I think it's gonna be the same. Oh! Really, man? With the welded diff, you can slide so easily. Jesus. Okay, let's see what's up from this side. I think it's gonna be the same shit, but you never know. Technically, if I would be able to find a way into there, it would still be illegal for me to be there, because from all the other sides it's closed. And why the hell are there so many cars here? And I already see the signs. Fucking hell. This is where it should be. Yeah, you see, you can get here, but you cannot drive there anywhere. Fuck, it's even... You see what they did there in the distance. Okay, I guess all the hype is no longer hype, man. Okay, I remembered we have one more option. There is one other place to check. This was also available in winter, but you had to pay if you want to drive there. So we'll see. I think it will be also closed, but gotta check it if we are already out. Then why the hell not? Okay, man, what have happened here? Damn! Do you see? Jesus! Fucking hell! Okay, it could be worse, but damn, I don't remember such a big hole there previously. Always, when you go through like this much water, man, go as slowly as possible, because what the fuck. What is going on there? What is going on there? Technically we need to go there, but I guess not today. If they will close this shit, I won't be able to get out. Such a big city and nowhere to drive, man. Fuck that, let's go home, man. Nothing we can do about it here. Man, you see? Did you see that? Why it was so easy? In the second gear, just one. Fucking that's what's up. Damn, on the street, you know, you can feel it in, I don't know how you say, you have this feeling and you do something that you shouldn't be doing. No, come on man, what the hell.